Hey there, welcome to Unit 7, Topic 11, word problems. We're going to start with angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation is measured from the horizontal going upward. Okay, going upward. So the horizontal is usually the ground or the street or the floor or any other flat object. So you have, like, let's say this is the ground, all right? And maybe you're here looking. Okay, you're here. This is you. And you are looking up. All right, and so it's this angle, the angle that it makes with the ground or the street or the floor. So angle of elevation is from the horizontal. Okay, horizontal is just a line like this, looking upward. All right, so let's take a look at an example. So it says John wants to measure the height of the tree. All right, so who doesn't? So we've got a tree. All right, and John is looking to measure this height. So here is John. He is going to be over here somewhere. So let's read on. So he wants to measure the height of the tree. He walks exactly 100 feet from the base of the tree and looks up. The angle from the ground, okay, that's going to be the horizontal in this picture, to the top of the tree is 33 degrees. How tall is the tree? Okay, so here's John walking away. Right? And there he is over there. He's 100 feet away, recall, and he looks up to the top of the tree. They also tell me that the angle from the ground to the top of the tree is 33 degrees. And how tall is the tree? So I'm looking for this right here. I'm looking for how tall that tree is. All right, so we're going to be setting up a problem here using SOHCAHTOA, so hopefully we're pretty good at that. So I'm looking through my picture, and I'm going to go ahead and label. So I'm using this angle right here. So this is the acute angle that I'm using, the 33 degrees. Now, based on that acute angle, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. We're assuming that tree is making a 90-degree angle with the ground, that it's not growing diagonally or something. Okay, so I've got my things all labeled. Now, the thing I'm not interested in is the hypotenuse. Okay, so the hypotenuse is not part of this. I'm trying to find opposite, and I know adjacent. Okay, so O and A are the two pieces that I've been given. So now I have to decide, SOHCAH or TOA. All right, O and A, so I'm going to be using TOA. So that means that the tangent of my angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so I have that all set up. I've got the tangent of 33 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. All right, so we want to get our calculator. Make sure you're in degree mode. All right, so I'm in degree mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing tangent of 33 times 100 in my calculator. So tangent of 33, hit enter, times 100, and I get 64. Let's say that the problem had asked me to round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so 64.9. Okay, it says 64.94, but I'm rounding to the nearest tenth, which is 1 decimal place. So I could say the tree is 64.9, and I see that they've used feet in this problem, so 64.9 feet tall. Okay, very tall tree. All right,